Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you the ultimate carrot cake recipe that will absolutely blow your mind. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to any other carrot cake recipe. Ready? Let's get started. First up, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, grab a large mixing bowl and combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg. Give it a good whisk and set it aside. In another bowl, mix together 4 large eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now, slowly add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until it's just combined. Next, fold in 3 cups of freshly grated carrots and 1 cup of crushed pineapple. This is the secret to a super moist cake. Pour your batter into 2 greased 9-inch round cake pans and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Use a toothpick to check if they're done. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. While the cake's cool, whip up some cream cheese frosting. Beat together 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's smooth and fluffy. Once the cakes are completely cool, layer and frost them generously. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate carrot cake that's moist, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!